Hi everybody, welcome again to another episode of Fish Keep in Jamaica. Welcome to my channel. This is Raleigh here. Okay, so you have heard me mention in a video past that there are some mechanisms that you can use so as to get your fish to actually grow fast. One such methodology is to actually cut up and boil the gizzard of the chicken, right? So you boil the gizzard of the chicken and you cut it up very fine, like you're shredding it, right? And this is a very good way of getting, let's say, your Oscar and your Jack Dempsey to actually grow very fast. The pullback of this is that just like any other protein-based feed or food fed to your aquarium fish, too much of this can make your fish sick. So a lot of persons in Jamaica, fish breeders, I know they have been doing this over the past couple of years, when they have been actually employing this methodology so as to get their fish looking big and pretty very quickly. This is just an idea sharing to you what you can do. I am not saying that this is a healthy way to get your fish to look really nice, pretty, and big and plump, right? However, this is a practice that have been working over 10 years, right? Others have shared it with me, but I've known this for a very long time, but I have not practiced it. But I'm just suggesting it because it's a practice, and if you want, you can experiment with it. So that's the gizzard of the fish. In Jamaica, you can get gizzard to buy, let's say 1 pound, 2 pound. You boil all of that and then you cut it up very fine. You freeze it, and when you need, just like how you do brine shrimp, when you need to feed the fish, you don't feed them no caustic or high protein food. You just take a little bit and just drop into the water, and the fish just grow. If you think the fish growing 1 inch is awesome, trust me. When you drop this in the water, I don't do it. But when you drop this in the water, your fish grow like 2 inches for the month. That's an Oscar. So this is just an idea, sharing it with you. Thank you very much for stopping by. Raleigh here. Have an awesome day. Bye for now. Cool.